Problem 21 has basically a race line at the finish, something you're not going to catch me doing. Running a race, here's the finish line. It basically, as soon as I see it, it says this is 8 across and that's 7, and this meets at a right angle, and it says find me x. Anytime you see a right triangle, the first thing that should go off in your mind is Pythagorean theorem. Does this give me two sides? Yes, therefore it's got to be a Pythagorean theorem problem. They will always give you a Pythagorean theorem problem somewhere on the SOL. So here I have a side that's 8, I have a side that's 7, and then the hypotenuse is x, the unknown piece for which we're searching. So I know that the Pythagorean theorem is a squared plus b squared equals c squared, where c is your hypotenuse. Don't ever think these guys are your hypotenuse, always the c piece. So my two legs are a and b. I got 8 and 7, so I'm going to say 8 squared plus 7 squared equals c squared. 8 squared is 64. 7 times 7, 49, is equal to c squared. 64 and 49, 113 is what it'll tell you on the calculator. Now, to get c by itself, I need to say, hey, what times what's 113? The way we undo squaring is we take the square root. So I take the square root of both sides. Now, I don't have a calculator on me, but I know that basically 10 times 10 is 100. 11 times 11 is 121. That's somewhere between 10 and 11. Psh, the only option would be B. And it makes sense. 113 is between 10 times 10, 100. 11 times 11, 121. So it's somewhere between there. So choice B, 10.6. You would use your calculator. I just don't have one. Same as I didn't have one to add. Got to use that mind sometimes. Problem 21.